EU crew social security jobs to embark 1, 2. We have many European flags that are requiring European seafarers, but it seems that Europe has 26 different education systems, 26 different endorsements, verification systems, 26 different tax systems, 26 different social security systems. And this is like a huge maze. Of course, we could have this 5,000 parliament in Brussels do something today, or perhaps we could do like the USA, just have them out, all of them, and sell those buildings so that young people can have a home. Perhaps in Spain we would have 50,000 government buildings, that's total 20 million homes. That's not a bad idea, isn't it? Because we have excess 3 million government workers. But meanwhile, now they are not going to solve this mess, like ratings going to officers and top officers like they have in Latvia system or Estonia, zero tax seafarers and officers and the zero tax for the flag. Hopefully one day in Europe we will have these 26 member states having one zero tax system for the flag, one zero tax system for the European seafarers. Why? Because you are a hero. Meanwhile, if you want to apply for Italian and Greek flag, Italian flag, you don't need English, Ro-Ro ships, and then the Greek flag bunker ships, both with social securities. So if you are on board the cruise far away, if you are on board the flag of convenience with no social security, no pension and so on, please apply here because we have these opportunities for you. If you speak Espanol a little bit, also we have Spanish flag opportunities. And you know, Spain is the only country in the planet that 1 day on board equals 2 days ashore for retirement. So if you are 25 years employed under the Spanish flag, it's the same as you, me, ashore, or other flags, 50 years. So it's quite interesting, isn't it? You only have to work 50% to get the same pension, the maximum pension. But anyway, thank you very much indeed for your time. We put these instructions how to apply in Candina, like and subscribe, and pass throughout all the groups of interest, schools, maritime schools, European Union, your friends, and so on, because we are going to grow very much indeed in the European flags, and the ships, 50% of the world fleet is around Europe, so why go sailing far away if you have the jobs at your home? Thank you, bye.